Okay, now let's look at the Educated Mess product that they said. So this is Grow and Repair Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. Well, I think we should just try it out. Okay, here's what the packaging is looking like. It's this neon green tube. So it's for brows and lashes. So we'll just paint it into our brows. And then we'll take it along our lash line. I was using Latisse and I have it in my room, but then I got way off of doing it. So I really need to get back into the grind and the routine of using it. So it really does work. But we'll see. Maybe this Educated Mess will also be good. I don't know. Okay. Alrighty. So let's look at this contour stick. Okay, it's gonna be really hard for me to read it because they did this light blue with white writing. Okay, a 3-in-1 self-tanning sculptor that will give you an instant contour while working to give you a long-lasting glow. It tans, contours, and highlights all the right places. Use as part of your makeup routine or alone. Okay, well, let's try this out. Okay, so it's a thing like this. Probably needs to be twisted open. Okay, heard it unlock. We fill it. Okay, we're filling it with color. Okay, well, for me, I definitely contour up here. And I'm not sure if I'm supposed to buff it in, but that's what we're gonna do because I don't know. Okay, we'll also do it in our eye sockets. Okay, and then we'll do it in our cheekbones. And on this side as well. And you could also do it on your neck. So if you wanted this to be more contoured out and tan. Okay. So you guys, pretty excited about this product. I love it because a lot of times I would just take a makeup brush with tanning foam from Dolce Glow and I would just paint it into areas. So the fact that they put it in this fun contour brush concept, I really, really like it. Thank you. Okay, let's do our cheeks and then we have lip stuff from Pixi. So I'm always torn towards more of a coral color than I am towards a warmer color. So we're going to do the Liquid Glow Fresh. Try that color out. Oh, there's a lot. Okay. Okay, that one's pretty. Do it on this side. And then I think we just need a little bit more, just to make it a little bit more fun and intense. So like your brush is going to pick up a lot of it. But if you go back in and you just like hit it again and then pat it in with your finger, you'll get obviously a better pigment payoff. And same on this side. Okay, I think that this is a winning cheek color. I really like it. This color is called Fresh. Now, let's do their Lip Blush Youth. Looks like a lip crown. Is it a lip crown? It's like a lip marker. Let's see. Oh, you guys, I just realized we were going to do the Wonder Skin lip thing, and I totally screwed that up. Okay. Next week, we'll do the peeling lip thing. I forgot because all of a sudden I unboxed this stuff, and I thought, oh, I'll use this. I am not understanding how this is applying. It feels wet, but like, is it giving me color? Is it giving me color? I don't understand. I mean, it's a faint color, I guess. I mean, I think it looks pretty. I just didn't really see it applying, but it felt wet. So let's just top with this lip mask. Let's see, how do we get it open? Okay. I always have to use my teeth to get these things open. Ooh, you guys, it's shimmery inside. You guys see that? Shimmery. Okay. Let's see. I wonder how shimmery it will go on. Do you guys see how shimmery this is? I don't know if I'm doing a good job modeling it. Okay. Anyways, there's sparkles in this. Oh, you can see it when it goes on my lips. Okay, good. Wait, why is there like hair? I feel like I have hair somewhere. Okay, found it. I love that this lip mask has so much fun iridescence to it. You guys, I think that's really pretty. And I'm lip masking. What do you guys think? Okay, well, that is our show for today. I hope you guys had a good time. Remember, all the products that I've used are linked in the YouTube videos description box. They're found on naturalchaos.com's blog for today. If you go to this video that's playing on YouTube right now or find it later, it has the link to the YouTube video too in the chat and in the description box. So I hope that helps you guys find what you're looking for and everything I did. And I will see you guys later. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a YouTube video tomorrow. I'm going to maybe edit something together for you guys from like a microneedling face thing, but we'll see. All right, you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me on this Wednesday, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, my friends.